Hello, my friends. What an honor to be able to invite you for the Advanced Relationship Workshop on Saturday night, because I think it was Sigmund Freud who said that the quality of our lives is really determined by our ability to be productive, our work, and the quality of our relationships. And within the realm of relationships, none are more important than the romantic relationship, which is really an interaction in which the balance of energies between the male and female energy prevail. Because we have many kinds of relationships, but in the romantic one, the concept of maleness and femaleness prevail in that kind of relationship. And, in our culture, we study everything, except, for most people, relationships. And so in the Advanced Relationship Workshop, one of the things that we're going to be studying is exactly what those energies are and how to develop an awareness of them so that we can improve our romantic relationships. Now, I've been a hypnotist, a hypnotherapist, a coach, a relationship coach for 23 years. I've worked with hundreds of couples, and I've had the opportunity to observe firsthand how this awareness, this knowledge, and also the use of hypnosis, the use of guided meditations to change our minds about ourselves has produced fantastic changes in so many people and so many couples. In some cases, a person is chronically single, and when they uncover some of these ideas within themselves, they immediately pair up with someone who they describe as the love of their lives. Other people are in a relationship right now, but it's a high conflict one. As soon as they become aware of this situation, they sometimes uncouple and recouple with someone else, or they resolve the conflict in their present relationship. And other people have a conflict in this area, and it generates a tremendous amount of pain post-relationship. And when we resolve these conflicts, they heal and flourish and immediately recycle themselves, making them available for their next relationship. And so the Advanced Relationship Workshop is a very, very precious moment on a Saturday night for us to take some time from our busy weeks to examine in detail one of the areas of our lives that, according to research, is responsible for up to 70% of what we would define as the quality of our lives. So 70% of how a person would assess the quality of their lives has to do with the personal relationship, with the romantic relationship. And that's why we reserve a moment on Saturday nights to study these relationships in detail, to talk about these ideas, and to make them better. I am really, really excited to have you in the workshop. It's all by Zoom. You can do it from your home, and it's absolutely awesome that you'll be joining us. Thank you for being there, and thank you for sharing this idea with your friends and family so that we can all grow together. Thank you.